Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we'll be discussing about the lowercase attribute names. Use lowercase attribute names because HTML allows mixing uppercase and lowercase letters in attribute names. However, we recommend using lowercase attribute names because mixing uppercase and lowercase names looks bad. Developers normally use lowercase names. Lowercase looks cleaner. Lowercase is easier to write. And for example, as you can see this one is good and this one is bad. This attribute, the href attribute right here is having lowercase. As you can see, everything is having lowercase and it's neat. But the attribute in the anchor tag right here is uppercase. As you can see, it's not looking neat. It makes our document look somehow. So the advice right here is that you should use the lowercase attribute names. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time and to the next. Bye bye.